What does it take to build one of the world's most advanced electric cars? Let's go inside the Gigafactory to discover how Tesla cars are made. Behind every Tesla is a massive factory where thousands of robots and skilled workers work together with incredible precision. This is a journey into the heart of advanced manufacturing, where cutting-edge technology meets industrial-scale innovation. Every vehicle follows a highly optimized assembly process designed for maximum efficiency, quality, and performance. Every Tesla begins with thousands of carefully engineered components, from high-strength steel to advanced electronics. Aluminum sheets, battery materials, and specialized components arrive at the factory, ready to be transformed by massive automated systems. Instead of assembling hundreds of small metal pieces, Tesla uses giant high-pressure casting machines to create large sections of the frame. This innovative casting process reduces weight and simplifies production while significantly improving the structural strength of the vehicle. Thousands of industrial robots take over to precisely weld and assemble the vehicle body, guided by advanced computer systems. Laser-guided welding arms move with lightning speed and microscopic accuracy, ensuring every joint meets rigid quality standards. Before receiving its signature finish, every body is meticulously cleaned and coated to prevent corrosion in high-tech paint booths. Robotic sprayers apply multiple layers of primer, color, and protective clear coat to ensure a perfect, glossy appearance. The battery pack is the heart of the vehicle, built from thousands of individual cells integrated into high-capacity modules. Automated systems handle the complex wiring and cooling integration required to power the vehicle's long-range performance. On the final line, the battery, electric motors, suspension, and interior electronics come together to create a functional vehicle. Technicians and robotic arms work in harmony to install seats, touchscreens, and precision glass components. Every Tesla undergoes rigorous performance checks, including brake tests, alignment analysis, and comprehensive software diagnostics. Software engineers upload the latest operating systems, while automated systems simulate real-world road conditions to ensure total reliability. Once cleared, the finished cars are charged, cleaned, and lined up for transport to customers all over the globe. From the factory floor to the open road, the process ensures that every vehicle is ready to drive the moment it arrives. This assembly process showcases the pinnacle of manufacturing excellence, combining scale, automation, and precision engineering. By leveraging advanced robotics and sustainable energy, Tesla is redefining how vehicles are built for the modern era. Every Tesla represents the future of automotive innovation. Subscribe for more How It's Made videos.